Rocky, Grand Caban, Taking a Break, Tune Lloyd, and Cossack Shaskadals. A little bit about the band. The Gwynedd and Mon Junior Band is part of the William Matthias Schools Music Service in North West Wales. It draws its members from both the counties of Gwynedd and Anglesey. Because of the geographical size of the area, it is not uncommon to have members living more than 70 miles from each other. All of the member bands, tutors and conductors are totally bilingual, speaking Welsh and English. All band members will eventually progress to the senior brass band. Both of the bands are regular competitors of this event and have gained first prize in their respective sections on more than one occasion. Good luck to you all. Enjoy the band.